Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make an airsoft grenade. Alright, here's what I use to make mine. You need ammo, a firecracker, some tape, and I'm using a little Dixie cup thingy, but you can use really like Easter eggs or really pretty much anything that you can find to use. Alright, you just want to put the ammo in here, in the little cup. This is really easy and it's kind of common sense on how you make it. Alright, what you want to do next is you want to take a piece of tape, come on, it's a piece of duct tape I use, tape it to the firecracker, like this, and I'm just going to tape it to the inside of this, right here. Alright. It should look like this right now. And then next you want to put on the top coat of tape, so when you're throwing it, all the bullets don't fly out. Sorry about the bad thing here. And that's pretty much it. Really easy. Really fast to make. Really good wars. And yeah, please rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.